Welcome back, and let's cut across to some latest news coming in. This is a breaking bit of development that we report this morning after Kejriwal was summoned by the Enforcement Directorate for questioning in connection to the alleged excise policy scam. Aam Aadmi Party leaders have said that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will run the Delhi government from jail in case he is arrested by the Enforcement Directorate. Delhi Minister Atishi has said that party will approach the court to seek permission for cabinet meetings in jail, and clearly there was a pun intended there. Let's listen into what Atishi said. There's a reaction coming in from Saurabh Bharadwaj and Manoj Tiwari of the BJP.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक दल की मीटिंग हुई और सभी विधायकों ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को दिल्ली की जनता की राय बताई। हम सब ने उनको बताया कि हम जिस गली में जाते हैं, जिस पार्क में जाते हैं, जिस कॉलोनी में जाते हैं, जिस RWA से मिलने जाते हैं, आज सबके ज़बान पे सिर्फ एक चीज़ है कि मोदी सरकार ने अब आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ अति कर दी है। लेकिन आज दिल्ली की जनता देख रही है, दिल्ली की जनता देख रही है कि वो एक आदमी जो दिन रात उनके लिए काम करता है, उसके साथ अतिवाद हो रहा है। तो सभी विधायकों ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को एक ही सुर में बात कही है कि चाहे मोदी सरकार षड्यंत्र रच के उन्हें तिहाड़ के अंदर डाल दे, लेकिन फिर भी हम सब ने आग्रह किया है कि वो अपना इस्तीफा ना दें, क्योंकि आखिरकार लोगों ने वोट किसी विधायक को नहीं दिया, किसी पार्टी को नहीं दिया। दिल्ली के लोगों ने अपना वोट, अपना मैंडेट अरविंद केजरीवाल को दिया है। हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया कि हम कोर्ट जाएंगे और कोर्ट से परमिशन लेंगे कि कैबिनेट की मीटिंग्स जेल के अंदर हो सके।
तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, अब दिल्ली की सत्ता कैसे चलेगी? अब तो मुख्यमंत्री जी को इस्तीफा देना पड़ेगा, चाहे जेल से चले, चाहे पुलिस कस्टडी से चले, चाहे जुडिशियल कस्टडी से चले, अरविंद केजरीवाल ही दिल्ली की सरकार चलाएंगे।
Cutting across to Rupashri Nanda, who's with us on the broadcast. Rupashri, forget the legalities of it. This is clearly an all-out political war between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, yeah, absolutely. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party here making it very clear that if the worst fears of Aam Aadmi Party does come true and Arvind Kejriwal is arrested, then he is going to continue as Chief Minister, at least for some time. So, as it was being speculated that he is going to resign and anoint somebody else as the Chief Minister of Delhi, that is not going to happen, at least, in the immediate aftermath of his arrest. Now, you heard Atishi and Saurabh, say, and we had reported, a few days back that one of the options that was being considered by the Aam Aadmi Party was whether Arvind Kejriwal can continue to be CM even after his arrest. So now that word is coming, officially that he is going to continue as CM. Now, of course, politically this may actually be extremely untenable. And what Atishi says that cabinet meetings can be held in jail. We are going to take permission from the court. I mean, that really would stretch, the believability of the proposal that is on the table. Aam Aadmi Party essentially stressing the fact that Kejriwal is going to continue as CM. Now, in that case, what happens is that he will have to delegate a cabinet colleague the responsibility of holding cabinet meetings, and that is something that he may actually end up doing. But politically, it has never happened in the country that a chief minister who is arrested continues to be behind bars. Remember what happened when Lalu Prasad Yadav, the arrest warrant was issued in his name. What did Lalu Prasad Yadav do? He resigned as chief minister. In his presence, Rabri Devi was elected as the leader of the legislative party of the RJD, sworn in as chief minister, and Lalu Prasad Yadav surrendered the next day. That is what happened when he was arrested. So we'll see how it eventually develops. But BJP, of course, is not going to leave any stone unturned. BJP is going to charge the Aam Aadmi Party's chief with the fact that he does not hold any portfolios. Cabinet meetings do not happen with that regularity in Delhi as they happen.
Right.
So BJP's charge essentially will be that Arvind Kejriwal wants to enjoy the perks of power without discharging the responsibilities of a chief minister.
All right, Rupashri Nanda getting us all the details. Let's also listen in to what BJP leader Manoj Tiwari had to say on this entire controversy.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, आपने फिर से विधानसभा के पवित्र फ्लोर का दुरुपयोग किया। क्या आप जो कह रहे हैं वो भी झूठ है कि अब हम जेल से फाइल साइन करेंगे? आप तो फाइल साइन करते ही नहीं है, आपके पास तो कोई डिपार्टमेंट ही नहीं है, और वहां जाके भी आप मुख्यमंत्री बने रहेंगे। इतना मोह है आपको मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी से। कोई बात नहीं, दिल्ली की जनता देख रही है और आपको सही समय पे जवाब भी देगी।